YouTube, what it do, baby? I'm Jay King, back for another episode of the Monte Carlo SS Build series. Today, we are changing out the rear main seal, and I'm changing it out because we have to bolt this engine up to the engine stand, and the engine stand bolts on right where the rear main seal is at. So we're doing that first before we break this bitch down and clean it up. Y'all stay tuned. First step is taking off this flywheel. It might be like a 15 millimeter. I don't know if I gotta pull the ugger dugger out for this one. Yeah, these bitches is torqued on bad. Okay, flywheel coming off. There you go. The indent goes in. The indent goes in with this flywheel, okay? Okay. Whole lot of RTV. And leaky rear main seal. I drained the oil out already, so I mean there's probably gonna be some residual oil in there, but not too crazy. Are these all the same size? I hope so. I feel like I remember somebody saying something about one of these bitches being longer or something. I don't know if that's true or not, but all of these are the same size so far. Damn, that's a lot of RTV. Somebody been in here. Look at that RTV. That's crazy. Let's see if it's attached to some other bolts on the side or something. Cause ain't no way this shit that stuck on there like that. Oh, we got new bolts, okay. Yeah. Ah. Okay, it's two up under here. We don't have those two, so definitely got to be careful with that. Oh, that's way easier. Sheesh. Look at all of that RTV on this guy. A lot of times people press this seal in, but I just bought a whole new cover with a seal already pressed in because I don't feel like dealing with that shit. So let's clean up all of this RTV. Why do they have RTV here? I don't know. This is where my pick tool and my shop towels come in at. Get some of this here RTV out the way. Wait a minute. New gasket don't have a seal around the bottom. Oh, the RTV is coating it. I wonder if I got a new gasket. Okay, so we know that that goes there. Okay. Like that there. Okay. So the next step, we got a little bit of RTV, and we got to put the RTV in the corners here so that we can get a good seal. I'm gonna take this gasket off. Put the RTV in the corners. Get a good seal. put this guy on. You know what? I'm gonna just put some RTV down here too, because this shit doesn't look too sealed off to me. I've just put RTV all over the bottom. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but that's what feels right to me. And I hope we don't have no leaks, baby. I had to clean that surface real good. I want to put like 2 of these bitches in there at the bottom, because for some reason this gasket is like bowed out. Okay. There we go. There we go. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. So with the real main seal, what you do here is you get it on the bottom first, and then you get it on there. That shit is snug now. Cool. Cool. Now we can hand start these bolts. Now, I don't know if you're supposed to go in a certain pattern with these. I gotta look at these instructions, but I'm gonna torque them according to the instructions, but I'm just gonna put them on according to how I'm feeling right now. And if it's a problem, sue me. Yeah, we got a few more of these new bolts. That looks good right there. New rear main seal is coming together already, baby. I told my friends I was gonna be in here for an hour, and I underestimated because I forgot I was gonna have to change the rear main seal out. But they know me. To my oh, so 2.5 hours. I guess so. Oh, these are the freeze plugs on the back of the heads. Okay. Okay, makes sense. Or does it? I don't know. I guess the heads have channels that have like oil that go through it and coolant. I gotta figure that out when we take it off, but I think I saw a video that said that. Okay, new rear main seal, check. $22 foot-pounds. All right, the rear main seal is on. 22 foot-pounds. All right, now we bolt it to the damn shit. I'm motherfucking tired. Got it done. It's on the engine stand. Rear main seal is done. Next step is disassembling all of this shit, cleaning it off. I'm gonna probably pressure wash that bitch sometime this week. So, yeah. Y'all stay tuned, man.